What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today is my first day of work as a consultant, and I am pretty excited. So, I thought, why not share my journey on my first day on the job as a consultant with YouTube and my subscribers, my very few subscribers, all 22 of you that I'm so happy and appreciative for. But yeah, I'm not really too sure what to expect, but I think it's going to be pretty easy. Probably just basic orientation, general overview of how things work at the company, most likely, stuff like that. Very easy, very basic. Probably some introduction with the people that I'll be working with. So yeah, I'm very excited. I want to share my journey. I most likely will be doing an update after the workday is over, because obviously this is being recorded before the day or before the workday has started. So I think I'm gonna be starting in about 30 minutes. So I'm just kind of getting prepared for that. Probably do some updates as the week goes on as well. Kind of give you guys a brief overview of what it's like on your first week of being a consultant. Basically, the first day was pretty much similar to the rest of the week, so kind of changing it to like the first week. But yeah, so today was my first week as a consultant, and it went pretty well. I'm not gonna lie. It wasn't anything crazy. I mean, you're basically gonna be doing like compliance training, like unconscious bias trainings, things like, basic tutorials on how to use the softwares, whatever like websites your company's going to be using, stuff like that. So honestly, wasn't too exciting, but wasn't hard or anything either. Like, it was just pretty simple, pretty basic, very simple orientation. So yeah, we pretty much got to chill. I got staffed on a project, which I'm super excited about. I'm excited that I don't have to be on the bench or anything like that. I get to start pretty soon on the project in the next couple of weeks. Got to meet, some of my coworkers, some of the people in my incoming class. Got to meet some of the managers, some of the higher ups, partners, directors. Had a couple of Q&As, really getting to learn about the company, really getting to learn about what they do, what they offer, the different departments. So yeah, it was good. And that's probably what you can expect on your first day or first week or two. My next week is going to be more of the same, where it's just basically like compliance trainings and more trainings, more basic stuff like that, a little bit of networking. You talk to like some of your coworkers and all of that. I would say ignore that. I just got a text about something that's not important. Yeah, so I would say if you are prepping, like if you're just if you're watching this video and you're wondering what your first day is going to be like or what your first week, it's probably going to be exactly the same. The first 2 weeks, I'd say at least, you're just going to be doing trainings and very basic walkthroughs and talking to people, getting to know people. And then after that, it'll vary depending on if you're on a project or if you're not on a project. I am on a project, so I'll be finding out what that's like in about a week or two. And yeah, I would say you should just get familiar with things like Microsoft Teams, basically how to use it. It's very simple, it's very easy, but maybe download it and try to figure it out a little bit. How to use OneNote, how to use, what else is there to really learn? It's super easy. I don't really know like what you really have to do. It's not much. What else? That's pretty much it. I would say OneNote. Just learn how to use OneNote. That's important. And yeah, that's it. Like, there's really nothing to really say besides that. But yeah, if you're starting soon, enjoy it. Don't be stressed. Don't worry. They're not gonna have you doing like reports right away and presentations. Like, we did presentations actually, but just amongst our cohort and stuff like that, so it was really easy. But yeah, you're not gonna have to worry about anything. It's gonna be easy your first week or two, and generally even your first year. So yeah, it's just a little update about my work progress. Nothing really too exciting, but if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, drop any comments down below, turn on post notifications so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And I should have new videos coming about credit cards and finances and more work stuff, consulting stuff, tech videos, all of the above. So feel free to subscribe to my boring life.